Welcome back to Wondering About Nature. Spring has arrived, and I recently had the chance to visit a friend's certified wildlife habitat backyard. A place we took a look at back in the winter, and I've been following for over a year. What a difference the season makes. The feeders are buzzing, the flowers are starting to come in, and the yard is absolutely alive with returning visitors. It's always fun to see how a wildlife-friendly yard transforms when nature wakes back up. So let's take a walk through and meet some of the guests who've stopped by between March and mid-June. And it's not just our feathered friends who have been enjoying this habitat. What an amazing spring it's been, right here in Lewis, Delaware. Over 20 different bird species making themselves right at home, from the eastern bluebirds and house wrens busy raising their families in the nest boxes, to the ruby-throated hummingbirds already finding that feeder, and even a surprise visit from a green heron last month. And let's not forget that young groundhog, who's decided this yard is pretty great too. It's always fun to see what a wildlife-friendly yard can do, and what it can become. If you'd like to create habitat like this in your own backyard, there's a link below to get started. I'll see you on Sunday for my weekly rewind. Thanks for watching.